whispers carried on the breeze. Every shadow fades in grace. Your presence fills a sacred place. Leaves are singing, branches bend, prayers like mist to heaven ascend. You rise within the forest air. Every breath becomes a prayer. Through the silent spirit flows. Life awaken where it grows. Roots go deep, the rivers run. All creation lives as one. In the stillness I can see you breathe in earth, you breathe in me. Leaves are singing, branches bend, prayers like mist to heaven ascend. You rise within the forest air. Every breath becomes a prayer. Through the silent spirit flows. Life awaken where it grows. Mist descending, light breaks through. All the forest speaks of you from the ground to skies above. Every echo sings your love. You rise within the forest air. Every breath becomes a prayer. Through the silent spirit flows. Life awaken where it grows. Misty prayers rise endlessly. Your spirit moves in every tree.